Hello everyone, welcome back to the Gourmet Gharana. Another day and another Hyderabadi recipe. Let's make Gosht Ka Dalcha, also called Dal Gosht today. So grab your aprons and let's get cooking. Let's start by heating oil in a pressure cooker. To this we will add a bay leaf, a cinnamon stick and 1 black cardamom. Then add 2 medium chopped onions along with some salt. Cover and cook on medium heat. Continue cooking till the onions are golden brown. Now add about 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste and saute for a couple minutes. Then add in the dry masalas, that is salt, haldi and chili powder. Mix and let it cook for 2 minutes. At this time we will add the bone-in mutton, mix and cook till the water from the meat completely dries off. We will now add in the masoor dal. For 500 grams of mutton, I am using about 3/4 cup of masoor dal. The dal was washed 3 to 4 times and soaked for approximately 30 minutes before use. Add this to the pressure cooker, mix everything and continue cooking till the dal starts sticking to the bottom of the pan. At this time, add about 2 to 2.5 cups of water. Let it all come to a boil and then pressure cook for 4 whistles. Once the pressure cooker cools down completely, open the lid and check to ensure the dal and mutton are cooked well. Now turn the flame back on and add 1 to 1.5 cups of tamarind pulp water. Let everything come to a boil. It's time for the tadka now. Heat oil in a tadka spoon and add zeera, rai, curry leaves and dry red chilies. Pour the tadka over the dal and let it boil for another 5 to 7 minutes. The dalcha is now ready. Serve this with rice or parathas. Hope you enjoyed the recipe. Do like, share and subscribe our channel and follow us on Instagram for more such yummy recipes. Thanks for watching.